Welcome back. Goa Education Trust announced their list of scholars on Wednesday. 4 Goan students have been selected for scholarship of the trust. Students will be placed in different universities across UK to secure higher education. British Council has been supporting the scholarship for past 3 years. 4 brilliant minds will now be taking higher education in UK in their desired fields. This is because of the efforts of Goa Education Trust that has put to nurture the brilliant minds. GET has provided scholarships to meritorious Goan students for the third consecutive year. GET is a joint venture of Dempos and the Fomentos along with the support of British Council. Trust gives the extra needed boost to students willing to pursue higher and moreover better education in UK. The Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar felicitated the 12 meritorious students who were selected for the final interview.
Even with knowing about what can go wrong, if a person can immediately react, it's not easy to overcome your own feelings many times. And I think education is one field. Higher you go, more flexible, less egoistic. I'll say 0% it can't be zero, but you can come to that point where you can be called as real wise person. Please try and go towards that wisdom. If you do that, I think their scholarship has paid off.
Nausil Vera, Aaron Rose Lawrence, Ruchi Baga and Bertrand Dias were the final choice of the jury. The students will now be studying in universities in UK.
And really this is thanks to the Goa Education Trust and the Dempo and Fomento groups. For 2 years now, the Goa Education Trust scholarships have given opportunities to the young people of Goa to pursue not only their personal and their professional development through their studies. I think what we need to do as education institutions, organisations of learning, and ministries of education is to find ways to continue to inspire young people to want to learn, to highlight the opportunities open to them. We need to give them the best possible chances when they leave school, training and higher education, and then we need to help them to succeed. The first candidate who has been accepted is Noah Silvera, and our second candidate is Aaron Lawrence. Our third candidate is Ruchi Baga, and our final candidate is going to be Bertrand Dias.
Our reporter from Panji Pratik Parab with video journalist Sushant Par. Welcome back. Advocate Iris Rodriguez has filed complaint to Governor against Chairman of Goa Law Commission Narendra Savaikar for misuse of office. Iris claims that Chairman of Commission cannot take part in active politics. Iris in his complaint has pointed out that law commissions in other parts of the country are headed by retired High Court or Supreme Court judge. When contacted, Savaikar refused to comment on the complaint.
I have today filed a complaint with the Governor of Goa against the misuse of office by the Chairman of the Goa Law Commission. The Goa Law Commission Chairman cannot be taking part in active politics. What is happening today is Narendra Savaikar, who is the Chairman of the Goa Law Commission, is also the BJP General Secretary. He has been misusing the official position as Chairman of the Law Commission and misusing the official vehicle also for party work. This is highly objectionable. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has appointed is not a Goa Law Commission but a BJP Law Commission, which is not acceptable. This is only in Goa that the last Law Commission was headed by Ramakant Kalap, who was also an active politician, and now it is being headed by Narendra Savaikar, who is still more than Ramakant Kalap, a very active politician.
Advocate Iris Rodriguez says that Advocate Jayant Mulgaonkar and Advocate Joki D'Souza, who are members of the Law Commission, are senior in the legal profession compared to Chairman Advocate Narendra Savaikar. Rodriguez in his complaint states that Chief Minister Parrikar has accorded rank and status of Cabinet Minister to Narendra Savaikar to facilitate him for recontesting the South Goa parliamentary elections in 2014. When contacted, Savaikar refused to comment on the complaint filed against him. He said that he has not received any such copy of the complaint. A reporter from Panji, Navdeep Agiyar.
President of Note Dr. Shekhar Sarkar is on a campaign to sensitize state police on tobacco-related diseases, Anti-Tobacco Act's rules and the enforcement. Though the performance of FDA and Gutka control seems satisfactory, police department still has a long way to go. Watch this report.
500 of these students will die from tobacco-related diseases. Out of 1,000 who smoke today, in another 22 years, we will lose 500 of these students.
With a stressful job of almost 24/7, cops are always under mental and physical stress and hence prone to addictions. National Organization for Eradication delivers such refreshing lectures to these police personnel at regular intervals. Dr. Sarkar is spearheading this campaign.
So I want to sensitize police. I want to sensitize पहिली म्हणजे ऑफिसर लेवलचे. So that over a period of time, आम्ही already घेतल्या खूपशी लेक्चर पोलिसांक. But refreshing is important. I want police to implement only 2 or 3 provisions of this law. First is this law is very important. Public places. The लोकांक त्रास जावं ना म्हणजे हॉटेलां, रेस्टॉरंट, बिल्डिंग, रेल्वेज, any educational institution, libraries, public म्हणजे बशीनी. This is important part. All hotels who have got capacity of more than 30 rooms or more sitting capacity, तांणी स्वताचो separate smoking zone तयार करूं येता. But तिसाच्या सकयल आहात तांचे कडेन they cannot have this. That means they should not allow anybody to smoke.
Dr. Sarkar seems satisfied with the enforcement by the Food and Drugs Administration as far as gutka sale and consumption is concerned.
Food and Drugs is doing actually wonderful job in gutka. Food and Drugs cigaretteचेर चड हे दिना, भर दिना. FDA करता more this on gutka तांच्याच. ताका तो that we have given as a but that is they are doing quite good. I think gutkaचे consumption बरें.
The activist cum doctor has an hour-long brainstorming session for the DYSP level officers in police headquarters on Wednesday, but surprisingly, hardly any officers had queries to clarify. Meanwhile, Agasai police seized gutka worth ₹14,500 and arrested A.R. Swami, resident of Kortali, and also attached a Maruti car in which he was supplying the seized gutka. Our reporter Nida Sadekar with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent Media.
Garbage menace in state has worsened with incessant rain. Residents of Ponda and Giri are facing hardship. Here is a report. Hoteliers and transport owners in Kurti Khandapar are upset with Ponda municipality dumping the garbage in their area. They claim that they are losing customers due to this menace.
वयल्यान ते पावसाच्या दिसांनी इतले उदक येवन घाण उदक भायर येता सगळे रस्त्यार फुल लोकांकय त्रास रस्त्यारय त्रास सगळ्याक सांग
गार्बेज डंप करता न्ही ताका लागून बरो त्रास आमकां जाता ताका लागून आमचे कस्टमर हांगासले जे आहात ते मॅक्झिमम उडून वता वास येयल्या बरोबर ते रावना ताका लागून आमकां बरोच त्रास जाता आमच्या धंद्याचेर इफेक्ट जाला आतां गेली 2 वर्सां जाली बिजनेस आमची जवळ जवळ आज 93 हांवें सुरू केल्लो जवळ 15-16 वर्सां म्हाका जाली ह्या बिजनेसांत पूण असो इफेक्ट आमकां केन्नाच नाशिल्लो.
Villagers from Giri complain that residents from neighbouring villages have started dumping garbage in their panchayat area. Farmers complain that this activity has affected their farms and farming, whereas residents allege that the huge illegal complexes in the village have aggravated the garbage problem.
आता सगळी कचरो उडोवन सगळो लोक पिड्यार करता कोण आनी कितें सगळो भायलो लोक येवन हांगासर कचरो उडयतात गाडी आनी येतात आनी सगळे सगळे खंयच्या गांवचे म्हणून ना एकाच गांवचे म्हणून सगळे येतात हिंगा गाडी येता मागीर कचरो उडयतात
सगळे हांगा बिल्डिंगो जाल्यात त्यो इनलिगल आहात तांकां ते हेजेर प्लॅन्टाचेर कांयच दाखोवंक ना गार्बेज हे ते म्हणून ही आयज हांगासर अशी घाण जाता आनी ह्या सगळ्या शेतकारांक ह्या कचऱ्याची सगळी घाण ह्या जाला तांकां शेतां करूंक मेळना.
Sarpanch of Giri Panchayat says Panchayat will clean up the area and mark it as no garbage dumping zone.
आमकां हे मातशे बेग्यान आमच्या आमदारांनी लक्ष घेवन हे सगळें क्लियर करून मागीर आमी हिंगा एक सायन बोर्ड घालून की हिंगा हे नो डंपिंग प्लेस म्हणून आमच्या गिरीन आमी हे पयलें तातपुरतें एक्शन घेवपाचें आमी आतां आमचे वॉर्ड मेंबरांनी आनी आमी एक निचो केल्लो आसा.
Our reporter from Ponda Vivek Prabhu and from Giri Shamsundar Fatte. It's Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.